Assalamualaikum guys. Today we are gonna explore everything in SAKARDU and it's gonna be so fun. So let's start that. And first I have to get ready and do breakfast and then we will continue. So guys, we are on top of our hotel rooftop and this is it. It's so many chairs and we can do breakfast and these chairs and these things and kitchens, and that's the mountain and it's snow right there and that's the view. Guys, now I'm going to second floor for breakfast. Guys, that's the hotel. So guys, right now in breakfast I got prata and chane. So let me eat it. That's my brother with drinking mango juice, prata and chane. Let's say hello guys.
Hello guys.
So guys, you see these orange things? These are apricot and this is the apricot tree. Guys, this is called desert and you will go there later. And this is the cold desert. This is the mountain view and this is so much water, so deep. So much water down here is deeper and that's a beautiful mountain view. I like it a lot and it's trees. And after waterfall we are gonna go to cold desert. It's gonna be really fun. And that's the sky. Entering. We reached waterfall. Let me show you. Going inside the waterfall. I'm in water and it's so much water here. Let me show you more. That's the waterfall. That's the whole water. The waters are going so fast. Inside the water. Oh, it's so cold. I'm getting now. I'm on top of the water. More close. Close to the water. A lot splashing on my face. It's water more cold than last waterfall when I made the vlog Sargoda to Naran. It's so cold water. It's freezing my feet. Guys, I'm going to touch water now. It's so cold. That's pretty fun. Guys, there's a tree house. We exit waterfall and it's so cool. Guys, we reached cold desert. We arrived to sarfranga cold desert. Guys, now we are gonna do jeep safari.
नहीं अपने फिर वाला मजे वाला होगा
We did safari from this blue jeep and it was so fast, and now we are gonna go down and it's gonna go so fast. That's inside the jeep and that's this, and let me stand and show you the view. That's the view. Back of the jeep is that, and that's the full view. Brother is running all the way to our jeep. I know he's gonna fall. He's going so fast. I'm gonna hit the first. Musa! Guys, look at Musa. We reached to SAKARDU hotel, and that's the and that's the photo there. And behind that is the full view and the gate. Guys, this is our dinner, and this is chicken shanwari and chicken biryani and salad, and that's roti, and that's 7 up. Guys, I hope you like my video. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Till then, love this.